Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be replacing the front splash shields on my 2014 Chevrolet Caprice PPV. This would apply to the 14 through 17 Caprice PPV vehicles, and the reason for that is the front suspension is unique to that model year range because it's similar to the Chevy SS sedan, and I took advantage of that when finding the parts to replace the ones that I have on my vehicle. What I found when I replaced the sway bar bushings a couple weeks ago is the rubberized plastic splash shields that exist, or at least had it on the driver's side of my vehicle, it broke apart into little tiny chunks as I touched it. And I found that on the passenger side I had none. So in this video I'm going to go through and replace those, and I'm going to tell you about the part numbers and how I found them for a Chevrolet SS sedan. So let's get to it. Here are the parts that I ordered for my Caprice PPV, my 14 Caprice. And since I couldn't find these parts listed on any part chart for a 14 to 17 Caprice, I looked for all the model years and none of them listed, at least broke it out separately. I didn't even see it on the chart. So I ended up searching for a 14 through 17, actually ended up settling on a 14 Chevrolet SS sedan, since the front suspension is extremely similar as far as, steering rack and components, openings and everything. I took the chance that they would be identical as far as these particular parts. So far it seems to be paying off. Here's one of the chunks that broke off from the left-hand driver's side one, and the part number for that is the 92267673. It's a very pliable plastic, but the plastic that is down there is very brittle. I just touched it and it basically fell apart. So that's the driver's side, and here's the passenger side one, 92267674. I tried to look for this on my passenger side. I didn't even see this, or if there's only chunks there, I'll find out when I get under there again. But I ordered both sides, and I ordered some automotive clips here, just in case, because I noticed, like I said, the passenger side doesn't seem to be there, and I was missing like one or two clips on the driver's side. So let's get under the driver's side and replace that one and see if it actually matches up. Here's the driver's side on my 14 Caprice PPV, and you can see the remnants of this shield, and you can see the chunks that kind of broke off the support that I had on my hand earlier. This piece is meant to be supporting it over here and holding it up, but it's not, so this chunk started hitting the steering rack boot here, so that was making noise when I would make turns, so definitely not a good thing. Plus the alternator is located right up here, so the splash guard is kind of important to make sure no water is being splashed up there. So let's get this one out. I didn't take the wheel off this time, just tired of jacking and taking wheels off, so have it up on ramps today, my race ramps. It looks like that should be sufficient to get this job done. So right now this front leg is underneath the wheel well cover, and you'll see what I mean about it kind of falling apart here. See if I can get it out without totally destroying it. And that's what it looks like with it pulled out. And like I said, I just barely touched this and it breaks off. So this is brittleized to the point some amount of heat or miles or whatever, it just got brittle to the point where it started breaking apart. So I'm going to take the new item and try comparing them, see if there's a chance that these will work. So I'm going to fit the old over the new one. Those retention clips line up. Looks like the depth is correct as well. It looks like it should be a valid replacement part here. Here are the remnants of the one from the driver's side, left-hand front, of course. And there is actually a part number on here, 92267673. So that's what I did find from the Chevrolet SS sedan, so it does match up. So that confirms that this part number that I sourced from the Chevy SS sedan is valid for the Chevy Caprice PPV. So again, 92267673 for the front left-hand driver's side and left-hand drive vehicle, and 92267674 for the front passenger side right-hand on the 2014 to 17 Chevrolet Caprice PPV. Let's try to get this in place. I'm going to take this sticker off. Again, this is the driver's side left hand 9226 7673. Try to insert this from the back. There's clearance around the boot for the steering rack. Looks like it's a successful replacement using the Chevy SS part. And all these clips are in place. Alright, let's move over to the passenger side and see what I find or don't find there. We're now taking a look at the passenger side, and you can see there's absolutely no splash guard here. You can see the holes for it, and there, and then there's a screw here without that gigantic flat washer like on the other side. Now this was the corner that did have some accident damage and was repaired, so it looks like they never replaced it, or assuming that there was one from the factory. Again, I can't even find the part chart for either side for the Caprice, but the SS does have it on both sides. So I'm going to take the one I purchased for the SS front passenger side and install it on this one. So again, that's part number 9226. Get it here, 9226 7674. You can see up there in the corner is where I put the new polyurethane bushing for the sway bar, and so that's why I was into this area, and thus the other side I touched the splash guard and it fell apart. One came in a bag and one didn't, but looks like we're going to be installing it like that. I'm going to take the screw out up here. Alright, I've got 3 new push retainer clips. And this one does say RH for right hand. So, see if we can learn from the lessons on the other side. And that's in place. That's in place. It's this one sitting recessed to the point where it's over the steering rack itself, not the actual boot at all. And looks like I need to replace that upper clip up there. And looks like it's positioned well. I don't see any reason why that wouldn't work. I'm going to correct the passenger side to match up with the driver's side because the contour is of the metal, so I'd rather place that up against the metal and then put the wheel well cover over this. It makes more sense since the contour of the metal has this little ridge in it, and this follows that contour, and then I place that over that, so that makes a little more sense. So with that, I have both sides installed, new plastic retaining clips on this side completely. I had 2 over on the driver's side, but I replaced those with new ones as well. And there we go. Now we have splash guards in place for your Chevy Caprice PPV using the Chevrolet SS sedan part numbers that I listed in the video. If that helped you, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos like this to the channel, and come back to the channel for more Chevy Caprice PPV videos. Thanks for watching.